Hey people, so it's I have to say this whole thing of a lockdown is unlike anything obviously most of us have ever experienced, because it's even as I'm at home, the road outside is like there's just silence. I mean, as of today, I mean, for the past 48 hours, Telangana, the place where I stay, had declared that it's a like literally a Telangana Bandh. But today there are some odd vehicles on the road, but even that is, see, it's there's just silence in the background. Normally there's always some kind of ambient noise. Oh wow, noise. But yeah, so I think that's very unique. I mean, I'll probably this is the most this is, I've never experienced such a thing in all my more than 3 decades on the planet. So anyway, so uh, like I was saying, watching is fun. So there is this show called Asur, which is uh, which is a very like, honestly, it'll give you goosebumps. I mean, it stars Arshad Varsi and Barun Sopti. Uh, these are the male stars, and Riddhi Dogra among the female stars. And um, uh, and it is like the whole premise of the story is about the serial killer who's like it's a crime thriller, basically. The Asur, it's called, and you can find it on Woot. I have to say, yeah, I mean, right from the casting to the writing, it's this is a very different kind of show. I mean, um, it I mean, if you were to read the reviews of it on online, the IMDb rates it almost, it gets like a 8 on 10, 8 or 9 on 10, I think. That's as high, the rating. I mean, in terms of this rating is, it's, I think, people vote, and that's how people vote on the program that they've seen on Woot, and then this rating comes about. But it is something else. I mean, I don't even want to describe it because I think it will give away the plot, and it's a crime thriller, but it deals with forensics and the mind of a serial killer, and it's just, it's at another level. So try and watch this, people. It's called Asur, and it's on Woot. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.